Prime directive number 3 of the Digital Samurai's strategy, always use the best tool for the job, delves into the philosophy that underscores the importance of this principle in providing best-in-class digital services. This directive is anchored in the belief that while numerous tools and applications are capable of performing various tasks, only a select few excel in specific areas. Digital Samurai recognizes that the key to an effortless user experience lies not in the quantity of tools employed, but in the quality and suitability of each tool for its intended purpose. The assertion that tactics matter more than tools is central to this directive. It suggests that the effectiveness of a tool is not merely in its features or popularity, but in how well it aligns with the specific needs of a task. In the digital services domain, this translates to a strategy where each tool is chosen based on its ability to provide the best possible outcome in its specialty area. This approach ensures that every aspect of the technology experience is optimized for efficiency, intuitiveness, and elegance. Digital Samurai, therefore, strongly emphasizes selecting best-in-class features rather than defaulting to the most popular or widely used apps. This discerning selection process is driven by a deep understanding of the unique requirements of each technology service we provide. By focusing on the most effective tool for each task, Digital Samurai enhances the overall quality of our services and ensures a more seamless and satisfying experience for our clients. This directive is a testament to the belief that the key to success in the rapidly evolving world of digital technology lies in the strategic choice of tools and how well the user wields them. It's about using the right tool at the right time for the right task. This philosophy sets Digital Samurai apart, enabling us to deliver a superior technology experience that is both elegant and effortless.